Greetings. This is your brother Black Light, Elder Black Light, become the Supreme Council for the elders, the Aboriginal elders. But check this out now. Look at this picture here. Uh, this is an elder brother. This is a younger brother with an interest in playing the banjo. He's focused on that, on getting taught by that old man. See, that's natural. That's a natural thing. You see what I'm saying? But see, you got brothers like Nature Boy and Seti and Young Pharaoh. You know, they rebellious against a natural order of things. See, that's why you got forerunners. You know, they are the root of the tree. And then if the root of the tree is nourished properly, it grows up into a tree. First it's a seed, then it grows up into a tree. And that tree bears fruit. Sometimes you might have a rotten fruit among the rest of the fruit, but it don't spoil the whole tree, you know. But some trees be, man, 500-600 years old, man. But we want you to take notice right here. This is Black Light right here in a little younger stage of my life. 2004, 2005. Yeah, I wrote a song called Ghetto Child. It was a CD. I had about 10 songs on there. I'm a creative person type. You know, I try to be creative. I ain't saying I'm the best creative, but that's one of my natural abilities to be creative. And I could recognize someone that's creative, you know, more creative than the other one. Seti, you know, he was creative in his approach to being a freedom fighter, you might want to say, Pan-Africanist, or, you know, because he took on the title General Sarasut and Teddy. He took on an Egyptian name. See, what y'all brothers don't understand is that Elijah Muhammad taught that we were at least, you know, we could start recording history around 76 trillion years ago. So at different times we took on different languages, different styles, different types of language, you know, stemming off of one language. And he said that the Caucasian was grafted from us, you know. So now we're dealing with polarity and degrees, stages. I heard a brother say there's no higher self and there's no lower self. That brother's wrong. You know, I know he read the Quran. It says stage after stage, you know, that we are developing man to his perfection. Now, in a sense, we are already perfect, you know, but we have to experience us developing into perfection. you know. So you got to go through different processes and different uh, stages to learn, you see. So we kind of fighting over, you know, when you see brothers arguing with different religions and different stages, you see us fighting over stuff that happened in different periods of time, like the Moors ruled Spain for 700 years until a weak leader got in there. A weak Khalifa got in there, you know. He wasn't as strong as all the rest of the Khalifas, see. He started messing with them white girls too, man, you know. And, you know, sometimes that causes your downfall. So now we got Young Pharaoh, who's really, man, is just he got only thing he got is a whole lot of rap. He's smooth with his rap, you know. But he latches on to people that's already moving. First, I don't know if Nature Boy was his first train trip or ticket to ride the train to the mountains. But he was down with him. Then he heard another powerful brother speak on Sinata's joint, Mastermind Allah. That's a deep brother. Out of all the brothers I mentioned, he's the deepest young brother out there, as far as I'm concerned. He be opening up my mind with his approach to schooling and teaching. Young Pharaoh, you know, he mostly getting over off of controversy, you know, making shocking points. But all in all, you're not advancing or freeing up the minds of the people with these YouTube wars. Debate. You get a lot of viewers, but some of these young brothers, young sisters is naive, man, to what's going on. They babes in the woods, you know. And that's not right. We're going to shut this one down, come back with some more of this. See if I can make my point quick and decisive. Black light out.